10 years, nobody can answer. So that's why it's better to have a global value. So most of the time when I'm doing presentation, the students are asking me what are my chances to get placed, what will be my salary. So this slide is a recap of all the questions I get every time I'm meeting students on fairs. So 96% of our students are placed within 6 months. Okay, for 52% of our graduates find a job before graduation. 31% of our graduates work abroad, and the average salary after 3 years of graduation is 62,000 euro. Okay, so 62 is a net income. After that, you have to pay some taxes, and don't expect 62 in the pocket. So it's before taxes, but it's still a very huge amount if you convert it to the Indian rupees rate as of today. The second question I get is in which kind of company our students are working. So that's the list of the top Schema graduates recruiter. So you have all the big company, all the big four, PwC, Deloitte. But in each field, you can see that we have some companies like, let's say, luxury industry, we have Hermes. So speaking about Hermes, I don't know if you have read the article. I was reading an article today that Hermes has sold like 2 billion US dollar product in 2 days in China since the activity has restarted there. Okay, so it's very global company where our students are working for. And you, as an Indian today, you have a big advantage. A lot of French campuses, French companies, like in this list, you have a lot of French brands like Danone, Airbus, Societe Generale, are looking Accor for the hospitality industry, Decathlon. They are all French brands. They are all looking for Indians to um, bring more value to their businesses between France and India, because France and India are becoming a great partners since several years, and so they are looking for talent like this. More than 2,500 partner companies at Schema, 20,000 internship and job offer per year, more than 400 apprenticeship contracts on French campuses, and a network of 40 alumni. Alumni are very important because maybe they will be the one who will be helping you to find your job after that. Okay, every time I'm telling the student, it's very important to choose a school with a global alumni network. So we have at Schema what we call a corporate relation team, talent and career team. And I put in this slide the way they will be helping you. They are organizing corporate events. So you can see in the picture that some international students are attending also this kind of event. Lot of companies who are coming for hiring students, they are English speaker. So with the talent and career, you can schedule meeting with them, talk about your career plan, about your CV. They will be helping you with the benefit of the network of the 2,500 company. In terms of resources, you will have access to the Job Teaser platform, which is one of the biggest platform in France, offering a lot of job and internship offer. And several events are organized in the campuses, like business challenges with companies, conferences, and also fairs on campus. So here, some alumni, distinguished alumni. Hopefully, you will be part of them very soon. You can see that some of them are in very, very important position right now. Jean-Philippe Courtois is working as EVP and President of Microsoft Global Sales. He graduated from Schema in '83. For example, Julie Pellet, who is working for Instagram. She's a brand development lead. We have Sharbani Semgupta, who is working in Germany. She's an Indian alumni and she's solution consultant for Wirecard. We have a Chinese student, Fei Fei Tang, who is business manager for Christian Dior Couture. So very high position are occupied by our alumni, and that's very important. So for September intake, if you want to start your application with the Europe Study Center. They are sending a lot of students to Schema every year. They know all the process. So you start an application with them. After this webinar, you contact them if you want to start an application with us. And so we are offering at master level, we are offering 1 year MSc, 2 year MSc program. This program don't request any GMAT, GRE, no English test. So it's very easy to apply to it. And right now, all the application are free of cost due to the COVID situation. So you have the intakes. What is the difference between 1 year MSc and 2 year MSc? Basically, the requirement to enter. To enter in 2 year MSc, at least a 3 years bachelor is needed. To enter 1 year MSc, a 4 years bachelor is needed, or 3 years bachelor plus 3 years work experience. To enter a 1 year program, we need for minimum of experience in the field you want to go for. Let's say you want to go for 1 year in international business. We will look what experience you have in this field. Okay, so it's always better, according to me, to go to the 2 year MSc program if you are a fresher. So the total cost will be 30,000 euro, which is approx 25 lakhs in Indian INR. For 1 year program, it's 17,000 euro, which is 13 lakhs in Indian INR. So yes, it's expensive, but not very much if you compare with the US college rate. So in terms of return on invest with the salary you will get at the graduation, you can expect a lot from this kind of program. So we have also another program called Master in Management. Same application are waived off, but for the Master in Management, the 2 year program, we are requesting GMAT, GRE, or CAT score. Okay, so I advise to go for MSc. If you have no GMAT, go for this one. It will be faster. Otherwise, if you have the GMAT, you can always put an application for Master in Management, GMAT, GRE, or CAT. Okay, so Master in Management, it's a 2 year program, same first year in France, second year, you can even go in one of our international campuses abroad. In this list, 1 year MSc, 2 year MSc, you have the campus's location and the intake. So all the specialization are open for September intake. So you can go ahead if you want to join one of these programs. Okay. Um, so a good advantages of studying in France right now, if you compare, let's say, with other country, European country, is that in France we are offering paid internship. So during the study, you will have mandatory internship. We will help you to get an internship through the talent and career team, and we will pay you. It means the company are paying at least 500 euro per month. Okay, there is no free internship like we are doing in India. It's not like this. In France, you will be paid. Big companies are paying up to 80,000 rupees for 1 month. So I was intern like 9 years back, and I was earning like this 80,000 rupees only as intern because I was doing it with a big company. So yeah, so common question I get is from students from India is I want to do an MBA. Yes, our MSc or Master in Management are equivalent to an MBA in India. Why we are not offering in paper the one written MBA? Because in France, when you are speaking about MBA, we are speaking about the executive MBA for people who are 40 plus, for CEO of top companies. So this is totally a different degree. So if you are doing MSc or MIM, this is the equivalent to MBA in India. If you come back to India, you can say, I have an MBA. Okay, so we have the degree recognition between France and India since March 2018. So now coming to the point, I'm sure a lot of you will have questions regarding the COVID situation. Let's go through all my presentation, and at the end you will be able to ask me any question you want. So the big question we got during the regarding the COVID is the intake happening? Yes, no doubt about that. France is strongly monitoring the COVID. The French president has extended the lockdown till 11 May. In India, it's 3rd May. And we are sure that by September, we'll be able to welcome the student. Okay. Will I get the refund if the situation turn grave? of course, Schema is closely monitoring the situation, and the decision will be made accordingly for the betterment of students. It means that if we are not able to welcome you, for sure, we'll proceed with reimbursement of your deposit, or we will postpone your arrival to January intake. Okay, but this is really the worst case. At the moment, we are not afraid about the COVID. Application have not decreased. I will say they have even increased because now the COVID is everywhere. So you are not safer in India than in France. Uh, so a lot of students are expecting to go abroad. As usual, Indian students are very known to go abroad and massively because you know the situation with the Indian market and with the crisis happening right now in France, which is a strong country in Europe with a strong system, the company will easily overachieve this period and go to the better time. But frankly speaking, between you and me, with what is happening in India, and we know the situation of the company there, it will be difficult to restart at the beginning. So it can be a good choice, a smart choice to go abroad if you want to settle down for some time. So for the September intake, you can join the BBA. Tuition fee is 10,500 euro per year. That's another option if you are looking for UG. You need at least the 12 standard certificate. So it's a 4 years degree. We offer scholarship up to 1,500. So this is our UG. It's a 4 year UG. 2 years in France. Year three, you have to go abroad in one of our campus, and you come back to France. That's the 1 year mobility track. Otherwise, the 2 year mobility track, 2 years in France and 2 year abroad. Okay. So that the academic content with a list of specialization for BBA. We are offering a lot of specialization, engineering and innovation management, AI, that's very trending also. So that can be taken by any student who is looking for UG. Same application are free of cost. And any amount paid before visa, you will be refunded all the tuition fees. So if you want to start the application either for MSc, either for BBA, you contact Europe Study Center. They are our agent in your region, and they will follow you till you get the visa. So, a common question, study in France, but sir, I'm not speaking French. Don't worry, degree is fully in English. Will the language be a barrier? Not at all. Degree is fully taught in English. We offer, in addition, 2 hour French classes per week in order to make all our students fluent. And speaking French will be an advantage to get a job, even if a lot of them are fully international oriented. So most of the job will be in English for international students. Okay, but the school is giving you 2 hours of French classes per week. For the English test, no need of English test if your UG was in English, which is a case for most of the Indians. And for MIM, as an English test is mandatory, you will go through an English test called Easy Speaking, within is an internal schema test, and which is free of cost. Okay, so no worry about the test. You can start your application now. A big advantage of France, and when you are looking for study option, why study in France is more and more famous among the Indians because of the stay back. France is offering 2 years work permit visa after graduation, 5 years multiple entry tourist visa is also offered. So that's an advantage for all the students joining Schema Business School because all our program, MIM, MSc, MS, are accredited by the conference of Grande École, which is a high business school conference. The high business school conference is a group of school of more than 50 business school in France. The president of this conference is the dean of my school, of Schema Business School, just to show you the power of our school in the French system. In terms of living expenses, what you need to show for the visa, 750 euro per month for 12 months. And for the visa part, you will contact the nearest Campus France offices, but you need first to get an admission. That's the first step. For accommodation, we will be helping you. We have at Schema an housing team, so that's a team who will be in charge of finding you accommodation and help you through the accommodation process. Important notice: as a student, you can work 20 hours a week and cover your student living expenses. Okay, so most of the student job will be in fast food, cleaning, and all. Don't expect office job, but there are plenty of job possibility like this. In terms of scholarship, so we have offering up to 4,000 euro scholarship. To get the scholarship, you need to have more than 70% during your last degree and more than 15 out of 20 during the Skype interview. So part of the application process, you will put an application with the Europe Study Center. It's free of cost. Once it's done, you will be convocated for Skype interview, and based on this mark and your GPA, I will be able to allocate you after your admission a certain amount up to 4,000 euros. Okay, so that's very important. That's a great offer from the school. It's a huge amount. And don't worry, if you don't fill this condition, you can also apply for two French scholarships, Charpak and UGAM Le Grand scholarship. But the deadline for the French embassy scholarship are approaching very soon. So you should get an admission very fast. So that's some general question I get every time, and I will let you ask me the question at the end. And this are promotional video about Schema, why choose Schema, the campuses and all. So all this link, I will send this presentation that Europe Study Center can forward you, but you can also go directly on our YouTube page. You put Schema Business School, and you will find a lot of video, lot of testimonial. It's always good to make your own search before choosing a destination. I strongly advise you France in Europe because we are a strong country. You have a lot of Eastern country like Slovenia, Slovakia, Hungary, Poland, who are offering cheaper option for the one who are looking for cheap option. But cheap don't mean quality always. Okay, so France will be the top of the top for European choice. That's also some article between the businesses between France and India. France has attracted this year more than 10,000 Indian students and expecting to attract 20,000 Indian students by 2025. Okay, so that's a huge point for you. And we have more than 1,200 French companies in India and 250 Indian company in France. So thank you very much. I think right now you can ask me the question. Uh, okay, so I'm checking all the question I have. Up, up, up. Let me go from the top of the list. No. Oh, uh, you don't see anything. Just a while screen buffering. It's only buffering. Okay, so I hope you were able to check the video and you are able to hear me. Uh, oh, so maybe not here. Okay. Do IELTS is required? Not at all. It's not requested for Indian students, so you can apply without the IELTS. GRE is mandatory for Master in Management, but for MSc, it's not requested. No, this is so. I have a question. Is this only for postgraduate? No, we are offering postgraduate and undergraduate. So for undergraduate, you can go for BBA in Global Management. It's a 4 years degree. You do your two first year in France, third year abroad, final year in France, and otherwise for PG, you can go after a bachelor degree. Do we have MIB? We have MSc in International Business, which is ranked number third worldwide in The Economist, so you can apply for the MSc in International Business. No scholarship. Yes, we have scholarship. We have scholarship up to 1,500 euro for UG, and we have a scholarship for 4,000 euro, up to 4,000 euro for PG, for MSc and MIM. And we have also some other scholarship offered by the French government. Any student coming to study in France will get 30% of the flat rental back every month. So let's say you are paying 600 euro your flat, the government is giving back 30%. And in addition, the French embassy is offering also a lot of scholarship. So question, I want to know about the details for hotel management course. So we have a master in luxury, hospitality, and innovation. It's a dual degree with École Ferrière, which is a famous hospitality college in France. You know that France is very famous with Switzerland for hospitality courses. So you can check one of these two and join one of these two. For 1 year program, it will be 25,000 euro. For 2 year, 35,000. So it's more expensive than the other specialization, but that's giving you a dual degree. You get a degree from Schema and a degree from École Ferrière, the hospitality college. So I have a question from Srikesh. Is 33 years age eligible for master? Yes. Below 35, anybody can apply to our master. After 35, it will be a bit complicated. So question for bachelor courses. After 12, yeah, you can go for bachelor courses. So the age limit, NEA, for master will be 35 years. As an Indian student, how much year will I get APS by French government? You will get 2 years work permit visa plus 5 years multiple entry Schengen visa. What does it mean? That it means when you are coming to study at Schema, either you are choosing a 1 year master or 2 year master, you are given a student visa for the time of your study. After the studies, once you are graduating, you get a stay back, 2 additional year to stay and work in France. After these 2 years in France, um, you have the job, you can renew every year. And after 5 years, you can request the French nationality. So right now, it's very easy to get the visa. It's also a good point to underline for France. We have very less visa rejection rate because French government is looking to attract more and more Indian students. How can we apply for scholarship? So to apply for scholarship, you need first to get an admission. So start an application with Europe Study Center. Once it's done, you will be able to get the interview with the program director. It will be a 20-minute Skype interview. And after that, we give you the admission. Once you get the admission, you will get a mail from me regarding the scholarship, and you can check what scholarship you can get. Okay, so as the application is free of cost, I will advise most of you to start an application. You don't lose anything. And after that, after the admission, you can check if our scholarship is interesting for you or not. What about the fee structure per year? So for BBA, it's 10,500 euro per year. For PG study, for 1 year program, it's 16,000 euro, 17,000 euro, which is around 13 lakhs per annum. And for the 2 year program, it's 30,000 euro. Okay, so 30,000 euro. It's a good amount. It can be expensive, but in terms of return on invest, you will have it. And some specialization are a bit more expensive, like the dual degree and all. But the basic one are for 1 year master, 17,000 euro. For 2 year master, 30,000 euro. For 1 year BBA per year, 10,500. So can we have the contact number? I let Europe Study Center contact you back, and they will give you the number if you want to start French classes. So 2 hour French classes per week, that's a question. Yes, we are giving French classes. It's free of cost. So that will be a very important point for you because most of the colleges don't offer this kind of option, even if all the classes are in English. So don't worry, you will get the degree, all the exam, everything will be in English. We are giving 2 hour French classes per week because we believe it's important when you are going abroad to learn a local language. Let's say if somebody is coming to live in Chennai, if they learn Tamil, it's easier. If you are in Delhi and you learn Hindi, it will be there. Same for France. Even if the job are fully in English for the international student, we strongly advise to learn French, and that's why we are giving you 2 hour French classes. It's not difficult to learn French. Don't worry about this part. If you, I mean, Indian student, most of us, we know several languages, so it's very easy for us to learn European languages when once we reach there. So the two French scholarship offered by the French government, and you can find the information on Google, are called Charpak and Eiffel scholarship. And we have you have UGAM Legrand scholarship. So Eiffel is over. You can still apply for Charpak and UGAM Legrand scholarship, but for both you will need to get first an admission from an institute to apply. And the deadline is very soon, even if it will be extended till May due to the COVID. We advise you to apply very soon. Could you please show the program again? Uh, we should- Scholarship. So I already answered the question regarding the scholarship. Looking for other question. Um, mm, yeah. So I have a question regarding the placement for master program assisted by the university. Yes, as I told you, we have a talent and career team fully dedicated to help you to find job and internship. Is GMAT mandatory for MIM? Yeah, as of now, GMAT is mandatory, GMAT or GRE or CAT. If you don't have them, as of now, no waiver. Maybe with the COVID in the upcoming week, we are gonna change this point, but as of now. And if GMAT is mandatory for MIM, yes, it is mandatory. Application fee is compulsory or can be waived off. It's waived off. Due to the COVID, we're offering the application fees. So start your application fees with the Europe Study Center. It's free of cost. What is the stipend received during the internship? You will get 500 € minimum per month. Uh, and it can be up to 1,200 €. I would like to know about whether extension for scholarship is applicable since of COVID-19. Yes, extension will be given even for, we are giving extension for everything, for deposit payment, for application deadline. Due to the COVID, we are adapting to the situation. Age criteria, not more than 25 for UG, not more than 35 for master. Actually, I got admission for MSc in Entrepreneurship and Innovation. Due to this COVID-19, I'm unable to pay the deposit amount. Does the date will be extended? Yes, the date has been extended till end of May. You have time to pay. And we are also, today we have given an information to our study center and they will come back to you regarding this point. We are offering the student the possibility to pay a pre-deposit. It means an advance of your deposit. You can pay 1,000 € with a credit card or by bank transfer just to secure your seat, to be sure to have your seat. And later on, when the situation is unlocked, you can pay the remaining amount. So that's also option we are giving. But to pay the full deposit, yes, you have till end of May. The two French scholarship I mentioned are Charpak scholarship and UGAM Legrand scholarship. So you can find them on the French Embassy website or Campus France India website. Will a student with 3 years bachelor degree plus 3 years work experience be eligible for 1 year MSc? Yes, if it's in the same field. Let's say if your job experience was in pure engineering and you want to go for 1 year in international marketing, it will not work. I would advise you to go see. So if your experience is technical engineering one, go for 1 year in project and program management and business development. Okay, so there should be a link between your experience and the masters. Can you guide the master course regarding music production mixing? Well, unfortunately, I don't have this offer. My school is only offering business and management. I don't know any school in France with offering music production and mixing. Maybe you can request directly to Campus France about that. I finished my UG in 2018 and I took 1 year break. So I didn't do anything till 2019 and then I was doing German language course. My question is, am I eligible for admission? Yes, you are eligible, but just justify it well in your CV. It means don't say that you have done nothing during this period. Put something that you have taken some German languages and this kind of thing that will be helpful. MSc in International Business, I would like to apply for. Yes, you can apply for this program. That's a very good program. This is ranked third worldwide. Is the application fee €100 waive off for already paid candidate appear for Skype? No, unfortunately, no waive off. If you have already paid this amount, this is not refundable. This is a new rules which has been taken due to the COVID and are considered only students who have not started the application at that time. So unfortunately, we have to make rules. We can't reimburse all the students who have already done the application. Bachelor fee structure and IELTS request. Bachelor. So for bachelor, it's 10,500 euro. So 10,500 euro per year, and you don't need an English test if your 12th was taught in English. Okay, so 10,500 euro per year for bachelor. Manisha, can I speak to you? Yeah, so I advise you to speak with Europe Study Center directly, and if you have any question, they will put us in contact. Are part-time job allowed with work visa for UG and PG course? Yes. So with your student visa, you can work 20 hours a week. Okay. So with 20 hours a week, you can get easily up to 900 euro per month. If I make the calculation for 900 euro per month, which is around like 75 Indian INR, only with part-time job, which can cover your living expenses because living expenses requested are around 750 euro per month. Age criteria. So again, for BBA, for UG, it's 25 years maximum. For PG, it's 35 years maximum. Is cross major possible? Say, for example, if a student has a non-IT degree but has got some 3-4 years in IT, will he be eligible to apply for MSc AI for business transformation? Definitely. We are looking for this cross profile. It's not because you have never done like IT that you can't join this kind of program. With experience in IT, it will be a real plus. MSc in AI is a pretty new program. It's very trending. I definitely advise this kind of program because with the COVID situation, we see that more and more businesses are taking advantage of the AI technologies and that there is a strong need in all these fields in digital technology and all. So yes, with this profile, you can strongly apply for MSc in AI and you can go with this background directly for the 1 year program. I did my 12 and I have 77. I have 70. Is Am I eligible for BBA? Yes, you are eligible for BBA, and with this score, you are also eligible for scholarship. So, if you do an application with us and you get an admission, after the admission, you can come back to me and get maybe a scholarship from us. What about fund to be shown? So to be shown for funding, to get the visa, what you need to show the full tuition fees, okay, in terms of either in your fixed deposit, either in your saving, in your parents' account, and also or loan letter also. So full payment, full tuition fee need to be shown, plus 750 euro per month need to be shown for 12 months to get the visa. So approx, let's say if you are going for 1 year program, what you need to show in euro, I make the calculation with you directly. So for for the living expense, 750 multiplied by 12, so 9,000 euro plus the tuition fee. Let's take the example of 1 year tuition fee, which is 17,000. So you will need to show 26,000 euro for 1 year. Uh, so 26,000 euro is in Indian rupees around 21 lakh. Okay, so that's the amount what you will show. What will be the post-study work permit for students who did 1 year master program? Whether you do 1 year master or 2 year master, you have the same work permit. The same work permit is given. Um the work permit will be 2 years work permit visa plus 5 years multiple entry Schengen visa with the same rules. After 5 years in France, you can get a stay back option in France, and so that's very interesting. If 45 plus of age student want to do master, is it possible? No, unfortunately, 45 it's too old for France. Even for the visa, it will never work. What are the other UG program we are giving? So we are offering UG in BBA in global management. It's a 4 years BBA, 2 years in France, third year abroad, final year in France, or 2 years in France plus 2 years abroad. So it's a 4 years BBA in global management with a special specializations. We have specialization in marketing, in engineering, in AI, in luxury and fashion management, in IB, in entrepreneurship and innovation. So all the specialization are there. And we have also a BBA in US called BBA in international business, which is more expensive. It's 20,000 US dollar per year. And for this one, for the US one, you need SAT or CAT. So it will be more complicated to get into. It's more expensive also in US. It's 20,000 US dollar per year. Okay, so the French option will be easier for visa and cheaper for you. Will today any representation talk about veterinary science course? Not on my side, but maybe there are other institutes who will present after me. Can you please tell us about Erasmus? So Erasmus, by Erasmus, Erasmus are exchange program where you can go to a partner university while you are studying with us. You can go for, let's say, 1 semester in a partner university. So we have this option at Schema, but this option will be only for students who are registered with us. So it means you are registered for 1 year MSc. So Erasmus are only for students who are registered for Master in Management, this option to go to partner university. For students who are registered for MIM or BBA can go for Erasmus. It means 1 semester in partner university. MSc, you can't go to partner university, but you can go to our own campuses worldwide. So you can go to in our campuses in US, in China, in Brazil. That's possible. So that's the option which are given with Erasmus. So most of the students think about Erasmus about free exchange. Yes, it's free. At the moment, you pay the tuition fees. So like so, if you are in MIM, we have the tuition fees. You can go to Erasmus for free, but it's part of the tuition fees. Uh, is it possible to get soon after graduation? I don't get the question, Anas. Is it possible to get SOO after graduation? I don't get the question. If you can rephrase it. Is there any eligibility criteria to be fulfilled for CAF scholarship? No, for CAF scholarship, there is no eligibility criteria. I think there is an age criteria. It's not more than 30 years old. But no other criteria. The main criteria will be to be studying in a college which is recognized by the French Ministry of Higher Education, which is a case for Schema. We are recognized by this ministry. So yeah, bachelor in hospitality, fees and IELTS. No, we don't have bachelor in hospitalities. We have bachelor in global management, and later on you can take a specialization in hospitality. No need of IELTS. Will there preference for student who have, will there be any career preference for students who have done 2 years MSc against students who have only 1 year MSc of the same degree? Um, well, it depends of your background. Let's say that's why I told you if you have experience already in India, I advise you can go for the 1 year program. If you are fresher, I always advise the student to go for the 2 year program. Why? Because when you are doing the 2 year program, you will be doing internship every year in year one and year two. If you are joining 1 year program, you are only doing one internship at the end. So that can make a difference at this level. So that's why most of the students will go for 1 year master. They have already some background because let's say you have already, let's take a random example. You have already 3 years work experience for PwC in India, and you are joining 1 year MSc in business consulting at Schema. That will be enough to enter in the market because you have already the background with PwC in India. But let's take a reverse example. You're a BBA student, okay, with no job experience in France. Uh, with no job experience in France, you will need to have some more exposure. So 2 year master will be better for you in terms of exposure. For self-fund, can the student show fresh fund or they are required to show for some more months? Well, we advise at least 3 months, but fresh fund can work also. Right now, as I told you, the consulate are very flexible. They are looking to attract more and more Indians in the French territory, so they are very flexible on that. We hardly get, let's say, let's say, just to give you some data, in January, we have around 180 students from India who have joined our college for the January intake, and I got like 5 or 6 visa rejection only. Okay, so the visa rate are very, very good. Oh, good question from Farhan. How will you compare the business courses available in French public university in English to courses available in business schools such as Schema? There is no comparison to make because the job structure in France, it's like if you graduate from a French business school, it's easy to get a job. If you graduate from a public university, it's not easy to get a job. I can tell you that because myself, I have studied in both. I've studied in French public university, the first part of my study, and then I switched to business school, and I really saw the difference, not in terms of classes, because French university will deliver you good classes, but French university are not built to welcome international students in a sense. Most of them will not have any career team for the international student. They will not have fair organized on campus. They will not have help for the placement. So in terms of degree quality, even in the job market, because it's a system, like most of the companies, HR and all, uh, are coming from business school. So basically, they will recruit from the business school first. So they will give strongly their preference for the business school graduates. Okay, so there is this thing which is telling like French public university it's better because it's free of cost and compared to business school. Yes, it's cheaper. My point is not to lie to you in this seminar. We are telling the truth. It's cheaper, but after there is no job perspective for you. You can make your own search and contact alumni on LinkedIn. You will hardly find alumni for French public university who found a job in France and all, because very less first are offering English classes, and secondly, they are not structured, as I told you, to welcome international students. At Schema, we have 40% of international students, which is very, very huge. We have 8,000 students studying in our college every year. 40% are coming from foreign country. So everything is built also for the foreigners. In French public university, you will have 99% of French people and 1% of foreigners. For scholarship suggestion, who to approach? So first, the next step uh, the person you need to approach is the consultancy which is organizing this seminar. They are sending a student and they are making the application. They will be helping you for the application process, for the visa process. So they are your point of contact. For scholarship, as I told you, after admission, you can contact us back, and the school rep we will give you directly the scholarship you can get. What will the deadline be to pay the deposit after the offer letter, keeping in mind the COVID situation? So as I told you, we are very, very flexible for that. Um, right now, the deadline is extended till end of May, and we are also giving you the opportunity to pay a pre-deposit. So it means an advance of your deposit of 1,000 euro, just to be sure to lock in your seat. Okay, so what about MBA courses and duration for Afghanistan students? Same. All the point I've given uh, in this webinar are also for all the nationality. We don't make differences in terms of price between Indians and other nationality, between Indians or French. You are paying the same. We don't make any difference between French and the international student. You are all the same for us in the school work activities. Work experience required for MIM. No, for MIM, it's a 2-year program, so fresher can enter. The only point for MIM, you will need to show either GMAT, GRE, or CAT score. How can I get in touch with you after making an application? You will see once your application is validated, once you get the admission, automatically you will get a mail from me. Otherwise, you will get a mail from Darini. Darini is in charge of the Indian office of Schema. She's based in Mumbai. So you will be in touch with one of us. Okay, I'm based in Paris, and I'm in charge of full activities for Southeast Asia and South Europa. And Darini is specifically in charge of the Indian market, so she will be your point of contact also at on Schema side. Once you get the admission, you get automatically mail from us regarding all the next steps. Will a student of 1-year MSc be able to exercise the student exchange program? No. For 1-year MSc, you can't go for exchange program in other partner university like Erasmus University, but you can go you can do a semester in another campus. For example, if you that's not for all the specialization, but if you go for 1 year in IB, you can do one semester in Paris and the other semester in the US. That's possible, and then you graduate from the US. Okay, so that's a possibility. So that's a possibility. And also for the 2-year MSc program, the same student can experience during one semester or 1 year a campus overseas. So that's very interesting. For BBA, for example, you will need to show for 1 year fund in your bank 10,500 euro plus 9,000. Right. Yes, that's it. It's correct. 1 year tuition fee will be enough. I will say a bit more for BBA. If you can show 2 year tuition fee, it will be even better. Does company question, very interesting question from Manisha. Does company in India accept a MSc from France as an MBA in India? Yes, because right now you have the mutual degree recognition and you can type about that in Google to find all the information and the agreement which has been signed between France and India. But France and India are one of the first countries to sign such kind of agreement, which guarantee the equivalent of the degree in each country. In addition, Schema is the only school in France accredited as a DESMI. DESMI is an accreditation, a special accreditation that we got this year from the French Higher Education Ministry, which guarantee you the right to work in any public administration in your country. So if one day you go back to India, let's say, you can take the exam for IAS officer or this kind of thing, which is not the case for all the business schools. So you have to check which school is recognized and all. But yeah, for that part, your MSc in France will be recognized as an MBA in India. So I was living in India for several years also. When I was in India, I put in my CV uh, MBA. When I'm in France, I put MSc. Job soon after graduation. Yes, I show the placement rate. Normally, as I told you, we are equivalent to any IAM in India in terms of ranking. We are worldwide rank. So most of our students are getting job after graduation very easily. Could you please tell us about executive MBA program? So we have executive MBA program who are open for people who are more than 35th and with at least 10 years work experience in relevant management field. But I'm not in charge of this program. So if you want more information about the executive MBA program, either you contact the Europe Study Center and they will put you in touch with me and I will forward your request to the relevant service in my team. Or otherwise, you can find directly the information on Schema website. You put Schema Executive MBA, and you will get the point of contact. What kind of scholarship are available for Afghanistan students? Well, the both excellent scholarship that I spoke about, 1,500 euro for bachelor, um, 4,000 euro for master. Both will be available for Afghan student. Okay. My friend, age 37, who did recently MA in Chennai, wanted to go for MBA in France. Well, 37, not he can't go for MBA at Schema. He can choose another college, but not that Schema. Uh, Age between 35 to 40, not eligible, no. Very difficult to get the visa when you are more than 35. Can a student from non-business bachelor apply for MIM? Of course. We have, let's say, more than 40% of our students are coming from engineering background. You know that in India, a lot of parents are pushing the kids to do engineering. And after that, after the engineering classes, most of the students are not happy with that or don't see any job perspective and want to switch for business management. So you can go whether you have a bachelor in business, whether you have a bachelor in engineering, you can go um, for this kind of program in France in business field. Okay. 45 plus eligible for master? No, not more than 35, no. So ranking of Schema, well, we have plenty of ranking. Number 4th worldwide in Financial Time ranking for program in finance. Number 12 worldwide in Financial Time ranking for master in management. Number 3rd worldwide in The Economist for MSc in international business. We are also ranked in Wall Street Journal in QS ranking. So you can find all the ranking online. Please talk about the triple accreditation benefit. Well, you have the benefit of the triple accreditation is that you have less than 1% of the business school worldwide which are triple accredited. So Schema is one of them, which is a huge point for you um, in terms of placement or not. How many years of stay back is provided for 1 year program? Is 2 years stay back in France applicable only for 2 year degree? No. As I told earlier, the stay back is for either you are coming for 1 year program or 2 year program, you will get the same stay back. Can you get any kind of student loan in France? Yes, it's possible, but in fact, it will be pretty much difficult. Why? Because they will ask for French guarantor. So most, I will say 99% of the students are making a loan from their own country. Okay. And for loan in India, we are very much famous by all the banks know us because a lot of students are taking loans. In addition, we are working with Centrum, with Avance, with Credila, so you can contact all this loan center, and I'm sure that Europe Study Center can help you also in the way to find finance for your study. After taking an admission and coming there to start your study, will stay back gonna be same or will there be any change? And coming there to start our study. No, the stay back is gonna be the same. In fact, right now, what the government is doing due to the COVID, they are even extending all the stay back for the students who were not able to do the renewal and decided to fly back to India for some time. So in terms of stay back, there will not be any change. What is the living cost within the university? So most of the flat we are offering are outside the university. The living cost will be 750 euro as per the embassy. The flat will be the most expensive thing. It will be between 500 to 600 euro, and after that you can cook in the kitchen. You can flat share and all. So other facility within the university. Well, we have gym, we have cafeteria, we have library. It's very nice. I invite you to put Schema Business School campus on YouTube, and you will have all the campus tour. So that will be very interesting for you to have an idea. But it's very nice infrastructure, very modern infrastructure. Is there any part-time job available within the university for international students? Not within the university, unfortunately. We are not offering part-time, and we are not helping for part-time. We are helping you for internship, for job, but not for part-time. You will have to search on your own. But believe me, all our campuses are in big cities, so you can find easily, I don't know, with restaurants, with mall, you can find easily jobs. While while doing MSc, is it possible to learn any extra courses, workshop, part-time in the campus to develop your technical skills for e.g. AI? You will not able to take other classes, but we are offering a lot of activities. You can be involved in student societies. You can be an ambassador of the talent and career. You can help the upcoming international student. You have a lot of conferences organized with companies, so you have plenty of way to develop your skills. And of course, the internship will be helping you also. Can you tell about the MSc in supply chain project and purchases in terms of job prospect? Yes, in terms of job prospect. So if I go, so you find on the website, you will find all the brochure with the placement rate and all. So for MSc in supply chain, so the placement rate for this year is, let me check, is 100% got a job within 6 months after graduation. 67% work outside their country of origin. Their average salary was 44,000 euro. The good point about the RMSC in terms of the program outline. So RMSC in supply chain and purchasing provide an opportunity of acquiring a specialistic qualification in the area of purchasing supply chain, combined with a generous one in project management. Course cover risk management, finance and audit strategy, transport and logistics, green supply chain, reverse logistics, research methodology, international recognized certification can be prepared also within the MSc. Certification include preparation for the supply chain EPIC, CPA, CPIM Part 1, Prince 2, and Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification. So we are one of the most demanded supply chain master in France. Can I work during my course? There are at the same time. Yes, you can work at the same time. You will have to check with your time schedule, but yes, you can work 20 hours a week. 2 years stay back is only for Indian students or for all international students? For only for Indians. For all the other students, it will be only 1 year stay back. Let's say there was a student asking me for Afghan student. You will get 1 year stay back, and after the 1 year, if you find a job, you can extend. Is there any possibility to change the stay back or private university? No, no possibility to change the stay back. The stay back is the same for public or private. That will be the same stay back. Is IELTS compulsory for MBA courses? No IELTS needed for our MSc or UG if you have done your courses in India in English. How much deposit student must make before filling the visa? For UG program, it will be 3,000 euro. For PG program, it will be 5,000 euro. Good point about this deposit is that the deposit is fully refundable in case of visa rejection. Okay, so let's say you are paying 5,000 deposit, you get a visa rejection, we reimburse everything. Nothing is taken by the school. Okay, the only amount which is not refundable is the application fees, and right now a waiver is given, so you are free for that. How much is the MBA fee for 1 year in Indian rupees? 17,000 euro. is for 1 year course. So 17, I don't know today rate, but let's say if I think it's 82, so it will come to 13 lakhs in Indian rupees. What if they don't get visa? If you don't get visa, several options. We can report you to the next available intake. Let's say you are not getting the visa for September. We report you for January intake or next September intake, or we give you the option to get a refund. How many hours of classroom session? So per week, you will get around 20 hours, not max 20, 25 hours per week. Sir, please tell any veterinary science course. Well, in France, veterinary science schools will be only for French fluent speaker. So regarding France, I don't advise you to go to France for veterinary science course. Okay, do you have any? I still have 5 more minutes. If you have some question, don't hesitate to write them down. So, can I plan now for September? Can I apply now for September intake? Yes, you can apply for September intake. Application are open. Before filling a visa, what are the funds we have to show? I have already answered this question. You need to show the tuition fee plus 1 year of living expenses, which is around 9,000 euros. So you addition the tuition fee plus 9,000 euros. Is bachelor program taught completely in English? Yes, all the bachelor program are taught in English. Stay back for Pakistani student is 1 year or 2 years. It's 1 year. Only Indians got 2 years stay back. But as a Pakistani student, you will be able to get 1 year, 1 year stay back. And if during this year stay back you have a job, you can renew every year. What is the scope of entrepreneurship and innovation course in France? It's very good. I mean, entrepreneurship is very trending right now. More and more students are willing to open their own businesses. At Schema, what is interesting for you is that we have also an incubators with more than 200 students who are starting their company every year. So the school can help you to start your own business if you want to incubate your company in our incubators. That's also possible. Is France a Schengen country? Yes, we are part of the 26 Schengen country, and we are one of the most powerful with Germany. A student from non-management stream is eligible for 1 year program or 2 year program. A student who could be BE mechanical. Yes, so BE mechanical can go for 1 year directly, but you need to show some knowledge in the field, so some knowledge or project in entrepreneurship. What is Grande École? Grande École is like IAM in India. Is the best business school in the country. So it literally in translating into French into English, it means I business school. What is the percentage of students getting a job after completion of master? So in the website, you go to www.schema.edu. You have the placement rate per master. But on average, it's 96%. How much study gap is accepted for BBA program? So for BBA program, you can have gap, but not so much. Okay, so I still have time for one or two more question. Otherwise, I advise all of you after this interview, contact back Europe Study Center and make an application because it's free of cost. Right now, as I told you, France is very trending and don't be afraid of the COVID. The situation will be resolved very soon. Which is the most wanted course in the French market? Well, there is no like this most wanted course. Most of time, a lot of time, I'm getting question for the student. What specialization do you advise me to do? I think it's not a good question. You have to choose the one where you are good at. Let's say I was very bad at finance during my study. I would have never chosen MSc in finance, even if it's very well paid. Don't think about like this. Think about what you are good at because that the job be taking for 40 years after your graduation. So better to specialize in something you are good at. And there is scope for all the management study in France now. Is this a Grande École and RNCP? Yes, all our program are Grande École and RNCP certified. What are the chances of getting work visa after 1 year stay back? They are very, very, very good. If you find a job, you will get a stay back. And as I told you, this is equivalent to any IAM in India. So I'm not worried about the job exposure you will have after the study with us. You have some. Okay, so I think I'm done. Yes, okay. Yes, you can do a PhD after MSc, and yes, you can pay the fees in installment 3 times per year. French language required for job there? No, most of the job will be fully in English, international for international student. But yes, it will be required for the daily life. You know, it's like you are in Chennai, you speak Tamil, it's easier for you. You are in Maharashtra, you speak Marathi, it's easier for you. You are in France and you speak French, it will be easier for you. So that's why we advise the student to learn French, but it will not be a prerequisite to find a job, but it will be a real plus plus. Okay, thank you very much. I'm done with this session. Wishing you all the best. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact Europe Study Center and they will forward me the question. Stay safe. Think about I think that's the right moment, like I've read an article yesterday, I think it was in the Hindu, telling that it's not, like right now, the situation is not safer in India than in Europe. So don't think like because of the COVID you have to postpone your study plan and all. I think that can be a good occasion because when the activity will restart in Europe, a lot of job perspective will be there for you. So thank you very much for your time, for your question and your interest. Wishing you the best, whether you are studying, choosing France or on other specialization. And we remain at your disposal if needed. Make your own search about Schema on internet. Check up the YouTube channel. Check up the website, and definitely you can come back to us anytime. Thank you. Bye. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.